Hello, my name is Mobese Franklin. I'm a software engineer from Nigeria, working on Hyperledger iroha 1 extend queries with optional arguments. So, one of the projects that I've done that I feel like is related to this current project I'm about to be assigned to is to write a unique command line interpreter, that is simple shell, to create a simple shell. So, when I was working on the project of creating a simple shell, I had to work on the command line interpreting to handle arguments and to help the interpreter understand built-in commands like exit, set environment variables, unset environment variables, handle variables, and then understand parsing, command parsing, and then also to be able to understand command separator and then logical separators, and then also comments and then handle files. So when I worked on the project of creating a more user interactive simple shell, that is bash, that's just a clone of bash to create a more user interactive bash. So the link to the codes from my GitHub repository will be in the link in the description. So when I was working on this project, it was quite an interesting project to work on. It helped me to understand more about the command line interface, how commands work, how to pass commands together, to understand how the logical operators and then the command separators work. So that was just the basic idea of how the project worked, and then it was a very successful project. And then how does this project relate to extend queries with optional arguments? Well, it relates to extend queries to this current project we are about to work on based on command parsing, which I've already said before. I think both projects, to work on both projects, one has to understand the user's commands, the interface has to understand the user's commands, and then another part that I believe that these two projects are related is flexibility and customization. The both projects can help the user to be more flexible and then to be able to customize the commands that the user can pass to the system, or the user can pass to the database in order to be able to get the required outputs. And then also another similarity between simple shell or basic shell and this current project we're about to work on, which is extend queries and optional arguments, is conditional execution. And then conditional execution is the situation where one can add other commands, link two commands, that is command parsing, to add two commands together and then to extend the result of a particular command. Say for example ls, to enter ls in a simple shell, lists of files can easily list the files in the simple shell. But when you enter something like lsla, that's an optional argument. The -la is an optional argument which will increase and also show the file execution, and then show the what is it called again, the mode, the file mode, which command the file mode, that is the read and write command of a file. So I believe if there are other questions that I will be able to answer, I will get the task to answer those questions. And then the as I have said, the code or the code to the simple shell project that I've already done will be left in the description, in the link in the description below. Yeah, thank you.